Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove or replace a filter in iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to click on the button right here and then pull out the dustbin. Now inside you can find the filter right here. To access it, we'll need to open the hatch by pressing on this yellow button and then pulling it upwards. Then there's the little paper that we can hold on to remove the filter. Now if you want to clean it, you should put it under the running water and make sure not to use any brushes or anything that could damage the filter. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.